Hey guys, we are going to do sticker 6. We also have to do our packet. So this homework period, you kind of have double homework. This should go really quick though. So it says, watch the video and learn or practice relating to scatter plots and the correlation. Take notes and turn in those notes for a grade. You can turn them into Canvas or bring to the next class. I'm going to be practicing LL8 and LL10, and that's what sticker 6 will be on next class. Okay, so let's take a look at LL8 and LL10. So when we look at LL8, and again, on your paper, you can just make a quick sketch here, right? I could say, okay, here's all my dots, and this looks like no trend, right? So that's my notes. I'm going to select, go to the next one, right? Interesting. Here I'm going to make my notes, and I notice when the dots are kind of swimming up, it makes it look like it's going up. So I'm going to say positive trend, right? Well done. Okay, these also look positive. So as I look here, it looks like the dots are kind of swimming up and to the right. So basically somewhat there would be my line of best fit. So we would write a positive trend. Now, I don't know how many examples you want me to put, you should put. I would say at least 3, unless and until the questions change. So this one's pretty much the same, so it's kind of a repeat. So let's do a couple more without taking notes. Yeah, this one looks negative trend, right? Submit. Looks like we got a positive trend here, right? Oh, and we got a different type of question. Okay, so now I'm going to take notes again. It looks like these are going up, which is making a positive trend, but they're asking for a different type of question. So they're essentially saying, when x is 3, so where is that? Here we got 1, 2, 3, all right, somewhere here. When x is 3, what would this be? Would it be 1 down here, or would it be 6? So does it look like the line of best fit is lining up closer to 1 or closer to 6? And I'm thinking the 1 is closer. You see what I'm saying? So again, a line of best fit doesn't mean perfect fit. It's just the best fit. Okay, so when I put in x, 3, 1, looks, this dot here, 3, 1, looks closer than this dot, 3, 6, to this line. So I'm going to pick that one, 3, 1. Nice work. Let's do 1 or 2 more like that since those were different. So in our notes, we got some, looks like kind of a negative trend here. They want us to look when x is 10. So all the way over here when x is 10, they want us to figure out, well, where would this line of best fit line up? So it looks like somewhere here, right? Looks like somewhere here on the lower end too looks better here. So again, if I plotted the dot, if I plotted the dot 10, 2 on the graph, and I plotted the dot 10, oh, they want 10, 10. Wow, 10, 10. This dot is way further away, so I would select that one too. Okay, one more like this. It says, what would be a better prediction for x equals 41? So we see here this is 40, and that's 50, so pretty close there. Right, so 2, 4, so 41 would be there. And then what coordinate would make sense or be closest to our approximation? So our approximation should be somewhere here-ish. So I'm getting around the number 60 just by guessing, right? I guessed around 60. So which number is closer to my guess? Definitely the number 54. So the coordinate 41, 54 is much closer than 4199. 4199 does not look like it is fitting with the rest of the data. Cool? All right, now let's go to the other one that we were recommended. So when we go to our recommendations, was there another one that was recommended? New. And that one's, yeah, that one's relating to R. So let's take a few notes on that. We see here, We see here a graph where the dots are kind of going downhill. And then we see here where the dots are kind of going up, right? So the negative one goes down and the positive one goes up. So why is this one, though, r is equal to -1? Because the dots are right on the line. Dots are right on the line. Right, so why is this not +1? Because the dots are not on the line. Dots are farther away from the line. All right, submit. Next one. It looks like this one's going down and this one's going up. So I don't really have to know what r is, but again, when r is -1, it's going down and the dots are close. Right, so I'll just make a quick sketch. Those are my dots. Quick sketch here. My dots are a little bit more spread out. Here I have r.2. It's going up. Sorry about that. It's going up and the dots are spread out. Even more spread out than last time, because last time we had 0.3 dots spread out. So the less they're spread out, the closer to 1 or -1. Next, yeah, this one's +1, this one's negative. The dots are a little closer, so that's why it's 0.4, but definitely negative. What do we got here? Here, the dots are actually random, so this is a good one to write in here. If my line is flat, this means r is 0. Here, it's going down, right? And the dots are pretty spread out from the line, so I'm not going to put -1, I'm going to put -0.5 because they're spread out. Okay, last one. These are definitely going up, but not perfectly on the line, so that's why it's 0.9, and these are going down and spread out. Thanks for joining us, guys. Hope this helps. I will select these types of questions for sticker 6. See you next time.